Beae Snores On
by Carmel Wilson, illustrated by Jen Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled up in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but
the bear snores on.
An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights sweet twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but
the bear snores on.
Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," said Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But
the bear snores on.
A badger scuttled by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger said with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch. But
the bear snores on.
A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but
the bear snores on.
In a cave in the woods, and a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear
Ra-choo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes.
and the bear
wakes up.
wakes up. You gotta do it like that. And the bear
Wakes up.
Bear growls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stumps. Bear growls and he grumbles.
You snuck in my lair and you all had fun, but me, I was sleeping on head none.
And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he signs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blistery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends
Snore on.
the end.